Hello all, welcome to Braces and Roots, Clinica Dental Kurnool. I'm Dr.Abdul Wahab, I'm the Chief Orthodontist here at our center. So today my topic of discussion is about why the dental treatment is expensive. If you think you are the only one who are spending so much on dental treatment, please don't think like that. You are not crazy to spend so much on your dental treatment. But yes, dental treatments are expensive, and today I will explain you why these dental treatments are expensive. First of all, there are so many various dental procedures carried out at every center in various clinics. So to basically, as a common people, you should understand there are more than 2000 dental procedures. 2000 dental procedures, out of which regular procedures which we carry out in day-to-day practice are your basic fillings, then your root canals, then your crowns, your braces treatment for your irregular teeth, and implants, dental implants, and so on. Like, there are so many aesthetic procedures where you want to change your smile, where you want to do your teeth whitenings. So the list goes on. So I'll tell you basically from one by one. I'll explain you how the treatment is being costed. I'll start with you with the braces. So braces treatment is done for those who have irregular teeth. Okay, so what happens is, in braces, the cost of the treatment is not the same for all the patients. So the treatment cost varies depending on the severity, upon the experience of the doctor who is treating, and upon the duration of the case. How the duration of the case varies from each case to case. So now the duration of the case, if it is a simple case, suppose it takes only a year or so, or if it is a complicated case where you need certain removal of your teeth, your extraction, dental extraction, so that you need to create a space and push back your teeth, so those braces treatment is going to last for a little longer, maybe 1 year, 6 months, 1.5 years or so. So depending on the visits, the cost is going to increase. So when it comes to the basic metal braces, has a different cost, and you have aesthetic braces, it has a different cost, and you have your transparent plates called your aligners, it has a different cost, because those are the customized appliances. So first thing you have to keep it in mind for any dental procedure, it is about the experience of the doctor, about the material used in that procedure, and the severity of the case. So on these three factors, your treatment cost is going to depend. So again, the cost, it is distributed like how it is. So the dental chair, which is a reclining chair where the patient comes and sits on the chair, it is a very electronic motorized chair which comes with a heavy cost. It is not cost alone, and you have to maintain that chair. For the maintenance, we have to, again, the dentist has to spend money on that. Okay, so that is one cost. And again, whenever the patient comes, you cannot just see him in his mouth and you can come to a diagnosis. So what you have to see is beyond his clinical condition, you have to see in the radiographic view. Even the X-ray machine, what dental clinics will have, it all comes with a heavy cost, and it is not only one-time investment. You have to maintain those machines for your whole period of time. So again, it comes for a different cost. Then again, your sterilization, disinfection procedures, your disposables which we use for each treatment, and upon the assistants, you need to cover the cost of the assistants. And now the most important thing is the materials. What we used in your mouth, we cannot use some cheap material, and you don't like it to be used some cheap material in your mouth. So we have to use the standard material, so which is again comes for a cost. Next comes the skill of the doctor. All the dental procedures, what I have mentioned, every dental procedure is a technique sensitive procedure. It is a time consuming procedure. They are time taking procedures, and the dentist has to really take his time and do with a lot of precision. The more the precise, the more the success rate of your treatment. The reason why this video I am making is to make aware to the patients, because the patients think it is just only a tooth, it is just only a root canal treatment. So it is not just a root canal treatment, because the files we use, they are all disposable files. We have to discard them after every use. So this is very important thing, that we have to isolate the procedure. There are so many things involved in it. It is not just the handpiece or the dental chair where we can just dispose it off. The dental chair, it has to be sterilized, has to be disinfected. The handpieces has to be sterilized and disinfected. But the files what we use, they have to be discarded for every patient to increase the efficiency of the procedure. We can't keep on using those files for 10 patients or for the second patient or anybody, because they become very blunt, and for even comes to the burrs what we use to trim the tooth, the efficiency gets reduced upon its continuous use. So for every patient you have to be precise. We have to use a new burrs, we need to use new files. So that is why the cost increases. That is why the dental treatments are very expensive.